Okay, here we go again with the E85 with the Sweep Hawk. OS 4-stroke plug, OSF plug. Going up. Good acceleration. A little stall there, a lot of smoke. It's wide open and it's not screaming, that's for sure. But I think as the motor gets hotter, it'll lean out a little bit. It's not screaming like it did last time. I don't know what the deal is. It's not going very fast. Strange. I don't know what's going on. I'm just hoping to be able to burn some of that. I got like more than half a gallon of E85 plus glow fuel, so. Wow, the thing's dropping like a rock. I wonder why. What the hell is going on here? I need more up trim? I'm losing control of this thing. I better land it. Must be interference or something. Landing! Jeez! Yeah, I guess I was getting interference. Thought I'd let you know what happened to the Sweep Hawk. It wasn't too hard to figure out. I took the wing off of the plane and the whole inside of the fuselage was soaking wet with fuel. It was causing a lot of problems with the servos. They didn't want to center, they didn't want to go back, they didn't want to work. So I was lucky to get it on the ground, and when I took it out, you know, I had the receiver wrapped up, soaking wet, the battery was soaking wet, the fuel tank crammed up in here, underneath here. I guess you can see that. And what happened was the stopper started leaking. Stoppers, I threw it away anyway. This is the little tube left from it. Okay, I went in the garbage and I found the stopper. You can see it's hard as a rock. And it's no wonder it started leaking. And what was unusual on this plane is I didn't have any partition here to make a fuel tank compartment like I usually do in a drain hole, because it was so tight in there. I just had to stuff everything in there when it was built. So live and learn. And just a little update on the Sweep Hawk. As you can see, I've taken a lot of the stuff out of the fuselage and I filled it with cat litter. I saw that recommended on one of the forums to absorb any fuel that's in there, and it was pretty yucky. So I'm hoping this is going to help. It's not going to hurt it, I don't think. I really covered every part of it up because cat litter is real easy. I got the cover of the fuselage down there covered up too, because it took a little hit. So we'll see how this does after a couple of days, and we'll blow it out with an air hose. Bye.